I just want to say this because that was just really, for me, just uncalled for with what Dr. Akimoto, the words he used to describe.
Of course,
I do not think that
racist?
Dr. Manglona is a
real?
racist.
That's
And
crazy.
honestly,
You're crazy,
if
Vince.
she's a bitch, I'm a bitch.
Yeah.
Because if I'm that passionate about what I'm doing, I mean, she has been putting in the work, and I'm sure Dr. Akimoto has too. But she's come on the air. She's expressed her frustration. She's done the public service announcements. Everybody at public health working so hard, maybe some not so hard. But, just to call her a bitch, I'm a bitch too.
Yeah, I'm a bitch.
No, you know what's really
I'm a big bitch.
COVID's a bitch.
Yeah, well, okay, but I just got to say again, this idea that somehow we, the people of Guam, don't bear any responsibility for the widespread virus it's crazy. Of course we're responsible. And of course the government of Guam is too. That's the problem that I had with what Dr. Manglona said is I know that she is putting it on us because they told us what we had to do. And guys, let's be honest, we didn't do it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's be real. We deserve part of the blame. It is what it is, guys. You guys were going around. We just had Big Tone on. What did he say? I was doing things I shouldn't have been doing. I was going around to where there were a lot of people. I was bringing my son with me to where there were a lot of people. So to me, it's just a little much to just call Dr. Manglona a racist because she's frustrated that people are getting sick and dying. That's kind of what doctors do. They tell you what you don't want to hear. I'll go back to the story I had where the doctor is like, yo, Chris, your heart's going to pop. Do this, or that. So I did what I had to do, and I'm still sitting here today.
Yeah.
So, I mean, again, I just want to go back to, yes, public health. Yeah, the backlog of tests, it's crazy. We have people running around and no idea if they're positive. Big Tone was one of them. He got a negative result 10 days, and he'd had COVID the last 9 days. So, the government has failed, yes. But we have also failed, too, okay? All right, that's my 2 cents. I know it's more like $1. But I'm sorry, I know we don't want to hear it. We just want to think that somehow we're, above being blamed, that we're the victims in all this. Yeah, in some ways we are, but also we're the ones that are spreading it to each other. Whether or not it's because of our culture, like who was that came on and said that this virus preys on all the things?
It was Dr. Cabrera.
It was Dr. Felix Cabrera.
It preys on our culture.
It preys on our culture and our ability and our desire to just intertwine with each other and to go check Auntie, to go check Nino, to go check Nina. This virus, it's going to get you when you do the things that make us Chamorro, that make us islanders.